Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the woolen flower charm, perfect for a bag or for your Stanley. That's actually what I have on mine, just because it seems like everyone has the same color cup that I do at the gym. So I have this perfect little flower to kind of make mine a little bit unique. So to make the actual flower, click my video linked below so you can learn how to make the flower, and then click back onto this one and I'll show you how to make it into a charm. What you're going to need for this charm is you are going to need one color of yarn, preferably one that matches your flower. So for this one I'm going to be doing white, so anything that looks cute, you're just going to pick that one color. I'm doing size 6 just because that matches the size that I have for my flower, but if you did something super duper small, so like a size 2, then you're going to want to use the same size yarn for that. So to start off, we are going to be making a slip stitch. And we are going to be doing chain 20. Perfect. Now you're going to grab your flower. You're going to go anywhere where it's easy to insert your hook. I'm going to do this loop, and then you are going to grab the other end and insert your hook right at the very first stitch. And we are going to do a slip stitch through all 3. So you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then that final one. You're gonna pull really, really tight. And now we are going to cut our tail and pull up. And now with the our first tail and this tail that we just created, we are going to make a couple knots. I always like to make 3, but you can do however many you want. And then you're just going to cut. And there you have it, your woolen flower charm. And how to put it on your cup, if you don't know how to, let's see if you guys can see it. So you're just going to put it in through. I hope you guys can see this. Here, I'll do it like this. Put it through, pull it through all the way, and then just pull up. And I'll push it down to the bottom so you guys can see exactly how it looks on your Stanley. This is a 40-ounce cup for size reference, but it's perfect. It's so cute. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it through all the way till the end. If you like this tutorial, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like more tutorials like this, please comment your suggestions down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!